Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm very excited to talk about an incredible product that embodies the definition of luxury and love, the golden rose. This golden rose is more than just a simple flower. It's a declaration of love that never fades. I had the chance to experience this amazing product, and I want to share my thoughts with you. The golden rose is crafted from natural roses, picked at the peak of their beauty, and then dipped in gold. Each petal is meticulously designed to last forever, capturing the essence of elegance. And if you're already in love with the golden rose, don't waste any time. Click the link in the description below to check out the official website and place your order right away. Now, let's explore the available options. The golden rose offers 3 incredible packages to express your love in a unique way. But before that, I want to share some real customer testimonials from people who've had amazing experiences with the golden rose. It's always good to hear what others think about a product, isn't it? So, there you have it, folks, the ultimate expression of love and luxury, the golden rose. If you've fallen for this gift like I have, don't forget to visit the official website. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching our golden rose review. Don't forget to leave a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time,